back to my channel. So in my today's video, I actually recreated this look that I actually wore for my brother-in-law's Sangeet. I am also planning to do a reception look and also like a muhurtam look. Like these are all very South Indian, but the reception one was, of course, I was wearing a lehenga. Guys, you can rock it for any function like cocktail, Sangeet, muhurtam, reception, anything. And this is really very simple. I just wanted to enjoy the function, because I know I would be dancing and I would be sweating and all that stuff, and I wanted to just enjoy, keep it light. I didn't wear falsies in this. I mean, actually I never wore falsies for any of the occasions because I had no time to dress up, and I didn't have any time actually to do makeup for the Sangeet. So I literally just finished the entire makeup in like 30 minutes, and I wanted to do something very simple because that's all that I could figure out in that 30 minutes. And I wanted to like do like green, kind of go with the green, same shade, same color. So yeah, I came up with this look. I hope you guys like how this look turned out. Also guys, I do have a giveaway that's running, so make sure you're following me on all my social medias, you're subscribed to my channel, you're liking, commenting and all that stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Hi guys, so first I'm going to be starting by taking the Farsali Unicorn Elixir and I'm going to put that on my face, which can be used as a moisturizer and a primer, and just going to let that sink into my skin. I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and prime my eyes, and then I'm going to be taking the MAC paint pot called as Laying Glow. I'm going to just put that on my eyelids. Then I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm going to be using the shade Silk Cream and just pat that all over my lid to kind of set that base and just kind of blend it in. You don't have to be too precise about this. I'm just using it as a base to set it in. I'm going to use the shade Mocha and I'm going to put that in the outer corner and then blend it in. This is a very simple eye look. Like honestly, you can take any shade, change it up. Like instead of green, maybe you can use a blue, whatever your outfit is. I really love how this look turned out. It was looking gorgeous on that day. So I'm just going to blend that in a windshield wiper motion. Next, I'm going to take this really burnt rusty color called as Roxanne, and again I'm going to put that in the outer corner and blend it in using a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take the shade Enchanted. It's a very dark, like a blackish green color, beautiful color. I'm going to put that again in my outer corners and then blend it in a windshield wiper motion, basically just layering it on top, and this is going to be my outer corner shade. Then I'm going to go in with this shade Diva, and again I'm going to pat that all over my lid, and this is so beautiful. Like it's a very like a bluish green. It's not completely green, but like a bluish green, and I think it looked perfect with my outfit. And then going in back with an Enchanted shade, I'm just going to intensify my outer corner because with all that blending, it kind of just goes away. So I'm just going to put that in the outer corner, blend it in, and give that beautiful winged eye effect. I'm going to go in with this shade called as Pukey and put that above my crease because I really want to blend out everything. I don't want any harsh edges. Then going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. I just love these Charlotte Tilbury products. This is the first time that I've used Charlotte Tilbury products, and this just gave me glow. Like I used it for all the 3 days of the wedding and it just looks beautiful on my skin. Then I'm going in with the Hourglass foundation, and you guys know how much I love this foundation. I'm just going to blend it with using a beauty blender. And to keep everything matte, I wanted to also add in the Fenty foundation, so I went in and just dot that a little bit on my face and just blend that in with a beauty blender. Then of course I'm going to go and conceal my under eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and you guys know how much I love this. I had to take this with me to India and just blend that in. So the next one is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. I just loved how this looked on my skin. It just looks so airbrushed. Like if I just touch underneath my eyes, it looks beautiful and I just love it. Then taking the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, I'm putting that in the hollows of my cheeks. I wanted it to be very subtle, that's why I didn't go in with too much product. This is what I did on that day as well, and this just looks beautiful on your skin. It's very subtle, but yet it does the job of a contour. So yeah, I just love Charlotte Tilbury products. Then to kind of set that contour, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer and just setting it in. Again, I'm not taking too much. I'm just going in with a very little product. I don't want to like emphasize too much. And then I'm going in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. I think this is the only palette that I use. I'm going to take that shade in and put it on the cheekbones. I know. One more Charlotte Tilbury. But honestly, guys, I just love these products. I just had bought these before I could go to India and I used these. And I'm telling you, I just fell in love with these products. Then I'm going in with this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I'll put the shade name in the description box below. Look at that beautiful glow with just one swipe. And of course, I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer and also kind of contour, like chisel my nose. And then taking in my favorite pack highlighter, baked highlighter. I think it's in the shade 08. Now just look at that glow that's gonna give. Like even in my dance, you can see there was not too much lighting, but yet when the light falls on it, it just looks beautiful. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX matte liner. I'm going to just line my eyes, create a winged eyeliner because this look had to go with a winged eyeliner. I do have a video for this, so if you haven't checked that, I will link it above. Then I'm going to go in with that enchanted shade and smoke out my lower lash line. And then going in with that mocha shade, I'm going to again smoke out because obviously I don't want that enchanted shade to be too stark. I want it to kind of be muted, but yet I want it to be seen. So just to avoid it being too harsh, I'm going in with the mocha shade. Then going in with this Maybelline pencil. I just love this eye pencil. I'm going to put that in my waterline. This just adds that pop of color. And then going in with that beam, I'm going to put that in underneath my brow bone area. And also I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And then I'm going to go ahead with the Anastasia Brow Wiz and kind of just fill in my eyebrows. Just the usual. Going in with my Tartist mascara, I'm going to just coat my lashes. And then I'm going in with this shade. I think it's called as More Better. I'm going to put that on my lips. And then I'm going to go in with the PAC Micro something finish makeup fixer. I'm going to spritz it all over my face to set that makeup in. Then I realized that I did use the Fenty lipstick called a Stunna, and I put that on because I really wanted to add that shade. So yeah, I just added it later. So that's pretty much it, you guys. This is the final look. What do you think? How was the look? Did you like it? Do you think it was simple? I think it's really simple because I just put this look together in like 30 minutes because I had no freaking time that day. Of course, the hair, you know, someone had come and do the hair for me on that day. I didn't do, and I suck at hair completely. But of course, you know, if you don't want to wear the bindi, take it off. And you don't have to wear the bindi, but I wanted to wear it. You know, it just looks good when I wear bindi, and I think like with Indian attires, a bindi really like puts the entire look together. I totally love how this look turned out. So that's pretty much it, you guys. If you like my today's video, then don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, make sure you are entering the giveaway, and follow me on my social media. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, then I'll link it right here so you can check them out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, mwah, bye.